So today we are trying the impact testing on a Mercedes-Benz. As you can see, we already put the car cover on the application. So we can try to test on a couple of different sizes, and the questions have always been, we have quarter size, piece size, grapefruit size. All I want to do is kind of put this to the test where we can test with a couple different natural things as far as it goes for impact testing. So here we have smaller size rocks and different types of materials that you can see. So let's at least start off with some of the smaller ones here, and we can kind of at least get an idea of what we're throwing at here. So I'll be about maybe 5-10 feet away, and throw a couple to the front windshield as well. See how this does. All right, let's move on to something bigger. Again, we're trying maybe a couple of these golf ball and larger size rocks here. Let's try that front windshield. All right, moving on, let's try something a little bit bigger. Pretty big. So, yeah, let's give it one more. Let's try that windshield. Now let's unveil it. So of course comes with ropes that you're going to tie it down to all your cars. So remove the suction cups here. And no dents. The windshield still impact, dirty as hell, but again, when storms come in and there's no room, especially larger size vehicles, you need something that you can put on quick, fast, durable, non-inflatable, obviously. I can't say enough good things about this. So 70-mile-an-hour winds here in Dallas, Texas. It's crazy storm coming in. And if there's any question about how it holds up against heavy winds, there it is.